Hi my beauty junkies, welcome back to my channel. It's May. I did a bad thing. I can't believe summer is coming so fast. It's crazy how time is flying. I'm obsessing over my new glasses. I love the shape. It's like really big and I kind of love the pink around it. I wanted to have it off to show you guys the makeup. Super simple, nothing like really dramatic. I just really wanted the eyeliner wing, but it might be a long one. I'm hoping it's not going to be a long one, but we're just gonna go with the flow with this. I placed a massive hole. It's a massive hole for Colourpop. Yes, we're gonna have a Colourpop week. Definitely this is going to be a Colourpop week. I'm hoping a Colourpop week in the sense that I placed another order. So Colourpop haul, I did a big one. I'm not gonna say spring, but it was part of the spring collection. I did tell you that I grabbed they were having a festival collection and I grabbed a few things from that collection, and you saw it the last time. This time I managed to grab the whole palette, main stage, 24 eyeshadows that are gorgeous. Gorgeous to me. They're not even spring, maybe a little bit springy, but summer, definitely summer colors. So I do have everything with me here. It was $90 the whole set. I don't know if there was a deal by any chance. I don't think so, but I did grab pretty much. This is my Colourpop summer haul, and I'm just going to show you that because we also got a free purchase. Like if you spend a certain amount of money, you guys pick something big, like really big, and I picked something I wanted. So all the eyeshadows came in this little thing with, obviously this is in here, and then you pull it out, you unhook it and pop it out, and it pops out. So this is their palette. Now I love this because you can fit any eyeshadows you want. You could do Anastasia, you can do Makeup Geek, you can do Coastal Scents, MAC, anything that you want to put in here you can. But I fell in love. So this is how it looks. I want to see if it zooms in and shows you like little patterns on it. It's like eyelashes, little smiley faces and stars, and it's like a lilac purple. It's showing off white, maybe not. It's like a little lilac purple. It's not a white at all, but when you open it up, here they are. How freaking gorgeous all 24 shades are. I will swatch all of them for you. The first one is Cutoffs. Looks just like that. I'm able to swatch for you. They're super pigmented. I love it. Like they have tons of really light, really simple, great for like I would think completely over the lid, like all over. I think it's pretty cute. This is called Cutoff. Next one is Comeback Kid, and it looks almost the same thing. It has more of a goldy undertone for me. Like I think it's more of a gold. They're beautiful, guys. Like, oh, I'm obsessed. This one is Something. And this one is more of a chunky, I can feel it, more chunky, more glittery. Gorgeous. Is Kill Switch. It's more of a brown. Beautiful. On me it's called Night Show, and I kind of nicked it right there where you see the little line. Killed me when that happened, and this was me taking it out the package. Gorgeous. Chauffeur. And I'm honestly telling you, this screams summer, spring. I love the color. This one's freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's like a yellow. It's called Deja Vu. The next one, I'm trying to be really careful because of my nails, is called Rascal. So pretty. I love them. Oh, even more gold. And the next one will be a great lay low. Definitely great transition shade. Very peachy, very light. I love it. So that one's low key. That is called Bratty. And it's dark. Oof. Holy moly, that's dark. Brad called Hop On. Definitely great for summer. The last PM. They're super pigmented. I'm not, my hands, I have nothing on my hands. It's dry. Called Burner. It's so pretty. Burner. Feathered, and I loved how dark it was. Like, I love that there is some dark shades in here, as well as, oh god, that's beautiful. Next line. Such a beautiful periwinkle. I love this color. So pretty. So pretty. It's a little lighter. The next one is called Backstage. Oh, that blue. Delicious. Now, here's my issue with blue eyeshadow. On me, it makes me look like I'm sick. I don't know why, but I would love to add this on a black eyeshadow, or definitely for under my eyes to make my makeup pop. So definitely colors like that, do not be afraid of. You can use them from under your, you know, like under here. Just kind of brighten up your looks if you want to. The next one is called La Playa. It says La Playa, La Playa. I don't know. I heard people saying it different ways, but it's a beautiful green, like a mint green. I love that color. It's a beautiful minty green, and it's super light. But this on the inner corners of your eyes would be delicious. Slay Farrier. Wait, what? Slay Farrier? Slay Farri. Azon. Whatever, we're just gonna call it Slay. It's more of a deeper green. You saw that, right? It's a deeper. Oh, look how freaking gorgeous that is. So beautiful. It's just like a matte, and this one's called Formation, and this one's gorgeous. This one's beautiful. It's very teal color. I love teal shadows. Now this is True to Mango, and it's a very light pinky purple. The next one is Howlin'. I think it's even lighter than that one. It's more of a purple. The next one is Prowlin'. Sorry. The next one is On the Rise. See the color? So pretty. Called Fault Line, and it is a purple blue, like it's thrown. When I will put right here. How gorgeous is this palette? This palette is delicious. So that was all 24 shades. They have the main stage, the whole thing, and the best part is if you don't like all these shades, They have it individually. You can buy them individually, buy the ones you like, and the rest is history. This palette is gorgeous. I'm so happy. I love these colors. I'm happy they're in my collection now. Let's move on to the next. I grabbed the bronzer and a blush. Very summery colors, I'm telling you. I wanted to show you what they came in, and I wanted to show you, like, everything comes like separate. So this is where the compact comes in, and you build everything yourself. So this is the bronzer, and this is the bronzer I got. It's super pretty. There's a mirror in here as well. It comes automatically with the compact. The best part of these is not like I bought the compact itself. Once you purchase the blush or the bronzer or the highlighter in this form, you automatically get this for free. So why not? That's a bronzer, and this one's called Weirdo. But Weirdo, like, you get it. I loved it as a bronzer or a blush. I think it's super pretty. That's the color I got. It is gorgeous, and it goes back. You pop it back in here. I'm trying to show you guys. Pop it back. There you go. And the next blood, this one is in a parakeet, and it's a very, oh, I love it. I'm telling you, summer colors. I got summer colors because summer's coming, and I know there's going to be times where I'm going to wear makeup or I don't, but well, these blushes retail for $7. It's not bad at all. I got another Bra Boss. It comes in this. It looks like this. I've gone through 2 of these already, so this is my 3rd. It's ridiculous, but I love, the reason I love this better, just because when I don't want to put a lot of makeup on, or I don't want to have that that very strong brow, and I want it to look more natural, I will use their pencil. So this side comes the color. This is in dark brown, and this side comes the little spoolie. I got that, and then the last 2 things came in here, of course, were liquid lipsticks. I got the liquid lipsticks. I got a satin because actually I got a matte. No, I actually got 2 satins. What's wrong with me? Because this is my favorite shade. It's called Barracuda. And I ran out of this shade, and it's gorgeous, this shade. Barracuda is like my favorite. Like my favorite. Like, it's a mauve color, as you see. Oh, I love it. It is so perfect. This is, like, I'm telling you, one of my favorite shades. And from their festival collection, I got to grab High Suppose. And this is also from their festival collection, and this one is called Gifted. It is gorgeous, super pretty. I like it. So this is High Suppose, and it's a bright purple one. I didn't think it was gonna be this bright, which I'm a little scared. Like, I'm scared. That is like a holy moly. That is like a bright purple. To grab this for free, it's legit as F. And in here comes my favorite 3 highlighters. I love their highlighters, and that this form is delicious. The first one is Over the Moon. First one is Over the Moon, and I'm obsessed with it. It's a beautiful color. Let's do it here. This is Over the Moon, and this is Spoon. They're so creamy. So the last one in here is Wisp. And look how beautiful those are. That was my free gift, and this whole summer haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I love doing these things for you. Big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for any notifications, for any new videos I come up with. You'll know. Thank you for watching my little silliness and all my little things. If you do, please subscribe so you can keep watching more of me. I will have many more videos to come, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care. Bye.